So I've been a little busy. I found a design for an ear saver on the SketchUp 3D warehouse on SketchUp for Schools. And I took that original design, of course, it's not my idea, it's someone else's idea, but I took that and I modified it here. First, it's very simple to make copies. Triple click, right click, copy, right click, paste, and you have a copy. So that takes 2 seconds. So I was doing that a couple times to kind of mess around. And I started coming up with some different ideas that I want to share with everybody. So first of all, I was trying to think of a way that we could make our ear protectors a little more custom. So I came up with a couple of different catchphrases: Salem Strong, Salem Tech, Salem Cares, Salem Hero. And I want to get your opinion on which, if these generic ones, if any of these are your favorites, or if you can create your own. I also did them all in yellow so that it wasn't a color difference that was the difference in design or your pick. It was more of either the font style or the saying that it says. So I made a couple of different fonts with the different names here: Salem Strong, Tech, Cares, and Hero. And these are all hollow bands, so that these letters, I'm hoping, are going to be connected to this part. I'm trying it for the very first time right next to me. That's the 3D printers running right next to me. I also have the other fonts that were available in SketchUp, so that we'll decide. You guys will decide on that as well. And then I went from a hollow design, which I kind of like because it saves on plastic, but I don't know how durable or strong it will be if it's that hollow. So I also came up with an idea that was a little different as well, with the same kind of sayings, but I'm trying to do it, and I don't know if I'll have success or not. I'm trying. But I was trying to do it where it's solid here, and the letters cut through to make it hollow. Oops, wrong one. Let's see if I can get in here. So that when you look at it, it looks yellow, but it's supposed to be hollow right there. So I should see the green color behind it, and I don't. So I don't know if that's going to work right. I did that for two of them. And then I also did the reverse. I also took the letters and made it solid, so it's not hollow, but raised the letters up so that they were three-dimensional. And I did try a printout of that, and that did work. And I'm going to be giving pictures of each of those. So you're going to decide on whether you want this basic design to be solid or hollow. You're going to decide on what they're going to actually say on them. We won't really decide on colors because I'll just print whatever colors we have at school. I mean, I could start out with purple and gold because those are our colors, but we'll run out of those pretty quickly. So just giving you the heads up and the update. Thanks for watching.